New at 10, some worshipers heading to church this weekend may have reservations. They have actual reserved spots to attend service.
The front doors of the church here will be propped open, so there will have to be no contact. We ask you then to walk up to the greeter to state your name, and then they will look you up for your reservation, which you made on Sign of Genius prior to your arrival.
That's Father Chris from St. Peter and Paul Church in Naperville. The Diocese of Joliet has approved at least 2 churches to reopen, but with major stipulations in place. 100 parishioners may attend each service. Restrictions also include making a reservation for a person or family to attend, using hand sanitizer, a no-touching policy during service. Father Chris walks parishioners through other aspects to expect at Mass.
How the gifts are brought up and the collection is taken, that is going to happen in a different way. We're going to have no gifts being brought up. Rather, the gifts are going to be on a side table here by the altar. At this point, though, the priest is the only one who will be receiving communion.
It doesn't appear Chicago churches are open just yet. The Archdiocese has spelled out its own phase for reopening on its website.